Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Hello, racers. In this video, I will explain the Zenjuwa glider, a groundbreaking technique in Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. This advanced maneuver allows you to achieve incredible horizontal speed, often creating shortcuts that save precious time. Discovered by the legendary player Zenjuwa, this strategy has completely transformed competitive speedrunning. Learning it can shave several tenths of a second off your best times, pushing your skills to new limits. It's a challenging but rewarding technique for any serious player. To begin mastering the Zenjuwa glider, first ensure your motion controls are active in the game settings. This is crucial for the precise steering inputs required. You'll need to approach a trick ramp while already in a glider, aiming for a very specific angle and trajectory. Proper kart alignment before you even touch the ramp is key. This setup is particularly effective on certain courses, such as Electrodrome and Thwomp Ruins, where it can yield significant advantages. Executing the Zenjuwa glider requires incredibly precise timing and input. As your kart makes contact with the trick ramp, you must simultaneously tilt your controller and turn your joystick. The joystick input should be directed towards the ramp, often around a 1 o'clock angle, depending on the specific shortcut. This combined input doubles your steering effect, catapulting your kart with immense horizontal force. Hold this precise input for a brief moment to maximize and carry your boosted momentum. Mastering the Zenjuwa glider demands extensive practice to build muscle memory for the exact timing and angles. Remember, each track and even individual ramps might require slightly different joystick angles and approach lines for perfect execution. A common pitfall is incorrect input, which can cause you to go out of bounds or lose valuable speed. Experiment with various character and kart combinations to discover the optimal setup that best suits your playstyle and maximizes your chances of pulling off this incredible technique.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.